Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Now click on Permission Manager and click on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like camera. Following that, tap on one of your apps. I will go with maybe Chrome and apply the best option from the list of available ones. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and click on an app that you are interested in, like Phone. Now select the All Phone permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!